Hello everyone, in this session we're going to solve another board problem. By this time, this is under Civil Engineering, Hydraulics and Geotechnical Engineering. And this is now our board problem number 6. Our board problem in this session is actually a situation. A cylindrical tank 80 centimeters in diameter and 90 centimeters high is filled with a certain liquid. The tank and the liquid weigh 420 kilograms, and the weight of the empty tank is 40 kilograms. We have to determine now the following. For our first unknown to solve, we need to calculate for the mass density, and here are the choices. A. 529 kilogram per cubic meter. B. 631. C. 840. D. 921 kilogram per cubic meters. And also, we need to calculate for the specific volume. And the choices are 0.00169, letter B 0.00119, C 0.00177, and letter D 0.00152 cubic meter per kilogram. For the third one, we need to calculate also for the specific gravity. Choices are the following: A 0.56, B 0.84, C 1.08, and D we have 1.15. Coming up next, we also need to compute for the value of the specific weight. The choices are the following: A 8.24 kilonewton per cubic meter, B 9.55 kilonewton per cubic meter, C 5.22, and letter D 12.09 kilonewton per cubic meter. And for the last item that we need to calculate, we need to determine the value of the gravity first, or we call it also as the weight. A, we have 1552.3 Newton. B, 2037.9. C, 3727.8. And letter D, 4109.1 Newton. And now let's start solving the problem. In order to solve all the requirements, first we have to enumerate all the givens that we need in the calculation or the solution process. First among our given is the diameter of the tank having a measurement of 80 centimeters or 0.8 meter, to be followed by the height of the tank, which is having a value of 90 centimeters or 0.9 meter. The weight of the tank, including the liquid inside of it, is equal to 420 kilograms. But when the tank is empty, its weight is equal to 40 kilograms. By the way, take note of this. The best way of mentioning 420 kilogram and 40 kilogram is like this. The mass of the tank with the liquid is equal to 420 kilograms. Since the unit is kilogram, therefore it is a mass. And then the mass of the empty tank is equal to 40 kilogram, not weight of the empty tank. This is just for correction. Then finally, we have the acceleration due to gravity. G is equals to 9.81 meter per second square. Now we can start solving the problem, all the questions given in the problem. For the step 1 in our solution process, before we can solve all the 5 requirements, first thing to do is to determine first the volume of the tank. That's why we need the formula for the volume of the cylinder since the tank is cylindrical. Our volume formula is simply pi r squared h. R stands for the radius and h stands for the depth. The depth in our given is equal to 0.9. meter, while the diameter is equal to 0.8 meter. Since we are only after with the radius, we need to divide it by 2. That's why our radius is zero point 0.4 meter. Now, doing the direct substitution, we can have a calculation like this. Our volume is now equal to pi times the square of 0.8 over 2 times 0.9, or it is also equal to pi times 0.4 square times zero point 0.9. Finally, we now have the volume value, and it is equal to 0.4524 cubic meter. After the calculation of the volume, we need now to determine the mass of the liquid simply by subtracting the mass of the can with liquid and the mass of the empty can. Doing the calculation, we now have 420 minus 40 kilogram is equal to 380 kilogram. That is then the mass of the liquid. We can then now start for the calculation of our mass density. By the way, mass density is equal to mass over volume. Among our given, we have already calculated for the mass of the liquid, which is equal to 380 kilograms. And then, of course, the volume, which is equal to 0.4524 cubic meter. Since mass density rho is equal to mass over volume, let me show now the calculation. Calculating for the mass density or rho, which is equal to mass over volume, or equal to 380 over 0.4524, is equal to 839.76. Rounding up, we have now 840 kilogram per cubic meter. Therefore, our answer is letter C. Let us now then proceed to the second question. We need to determine the specific volume. The specific volume formula, small letter b is equals to 1 over mass density or 1 over rho. Since we have already calculated for the value of the mass density amounting to 840 kg per cubic meter, we can now simply determine the value of the specific volume because specific volume is equal to 1 over rho, or it is simply equal to 1 over 840. And then calculating it, the value of our specific volume is equal to 0.00119 cubic meter per kilogram, and that's letter B as our answer. Moving on now to the third question, we need to calculate for the specific gravity. Specific gravity is having a formula of rho over 1000. Since we already have the value of our rho or mass density, which is equal to 840, we simply divide it by 1000. That is why in our calculation, in this portion of our solution, as we can see, Sg is equal to 840 over 1000, and that is equal to 0.84, meaning our answer is letter B. The specific gravity value is 0.84. And then for the next one, we can then calculate now for the value of the specific weight. By the way, specific weight is equal to the value or the product of rho and the gravitational pull of the Earth. Rho, we have a value of 840 while G is 9.81. We can then now calculate for the specific weight since we already have the mass density value. Our specific weight value is equal to 8.24 kilonewton per cubic meter. And that's the product of 840 times 9.81. Definitely, our answer is letter A. Finally, we can then now compute for the gravity force or weight in newtons. Weight is simply equal to mass times g. And the mass of our liquid is actually given in the situation that we have already calculated, and that is actually equal to 380 kilogram. Multiplying it to 9.81, we can then easily determine the weight in newtons. Finally, here is our calculation. In solving for the weight in newton, weight is equals to mg equals to 380 times 9.81, and it is equal to 3,727.8 Newton. And our answer is letter C. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.